Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the control stick and motion controls on a Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller. First step, we go into System Settings and we choose then the calibrated control sticks. The control sticks should be calibrated if you have problems with drifting or something else. When the controller stick isn't being touched, the cursor above should be appear in the cross in the center. Then everything is fine. But it is not stays in the center. You should make a calibration of that. And we only do this if it is necessary. Then we go to the side, right, bottom, up, left, and so on, to make this calibration. That means the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller, the sticks will then be calibrated as the entire movement way of the stick. We go and release it. Then we turn it under the circle and job's done. If you like to go to default settings, you can push the Y button to switch it to a factory default setting. We perform this if we have a drift or something else. So this is how to calibrate it. If we like to calibrate the motion control, we go to the calibration control settings and we push then on the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller the plus button. This is on the upper right area. Then we place the controller on a flat surface and wait a little bit, because the calibration will make an automatically calibration thing. Perform this again, as you can see it better. Plus button calibration is going automatically if you place it on a flat surface. You should have to look that there is a flat surface, of course. Calibration of the controller in the motion job's done. That's important if you have it not in a leveled direction while you're playing, for example. And you can test the input devices on our buttons, for example. So you can now push all the buttons and see that they are working or not. That is a good thing to see. Maybe there is a malfunction with the manually using of the buttons of your Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller. So that is how you perform this like a pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.